Shared formulas allow you to easily and securely share formulas between projects in Jira. Once a formula has been saved, it can be shared with any project you have access to. For my example, I want to share a generic numeric formula that's been adding 5 to the orders field every time an issue is created within the Mumo shipping project. I'll create a ticket to verify the formula is functioning properly. Once I view the issue I've created, I can see that the orders field has been filled in with the number 5. I want to share this formula with another project. To do this, I'll need to access the Abacus configuration for this project. On the Abacus main page, I'll click on my formula title, Add 5 to Orders, underneath the numeric formula type. Within the formula editing screen, I'll click on the Share button in the upper right corner to begin the process of sharing the formula. In the text box underneath the Share Formula title, I'll type in the name of the project I want to share this formula with. For my example, I'll want that to be the Nara Shipping Project. When I select this project from the drop-down list, a notification will appear confirming that the formula has been shared. An important step in the formula sharing process is the adoption of the formula by the project the formula is being shared with. In order to do this, I'll need to head over to the Nara Shipping project and view its current configuration of Abacus. On the main Abacus page, I can see underneath the numeric formula Create Formula button, the title of the formula I shared from the Mumo Shipping project with a Share logo next to it. To adopt the formula, I'll need to click the Create Formula button in the numeric formula section. On the page with all the formula widgets, I'll click on the green plus button next to the shared formula title on the left. Once the formula edit screen appears, the formula has been successfully shared between the two projects. In order to use the formula, I will need to create an execution plan. For this example, I'll want it to trigger the formula whenever an issue is created. After the execution plan has been saved, I can confirm that the formula was shared successfully by heading back to the Nara Shipping project's main page and creating a ticket. Once I view the issue I've created, I can see that the orders field has been filled in with the number 5, illustrating that the formula was successfully shared and is functioning appropriately. It is important to note that though formulas can be shared with any project you have access to, in order for that project to use the formula, it must have access to all the fields referenced in the formula. If the project is missing one or more fields, you will be shown this error. This issue can be resolved by adding the missing fields to the issue create and edit screens for the project. Thanks for watching, and have fun calculating your Jira.